Get noticed in this 2009 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for.
That responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.